Hey y'all, welcome back to How Do You Cook Back to Basics. My name is Andrea, and for those of you that have been here for a while, welcome back. And for those of you that are new, welcome. I am so glad you're here. So on today's video, I will be sharing with you how to make cheesy bacon biscuit bites. Y'all, this recipe is so simple to make and your kids will absolutely love these. Actually, if you wanted to, you could scramble up some eggs and put those in there as well. That way you'll have a full breakfast in these biscuits. First thing we're going to do is preheat our oven to 350 degrees. Here I have 2 cans of jumbo butter biscuits. They are canned. Now we're going to open these up. Y'all, I'm a little bit hesitant when these things open because they like to pop up all over me. Here I go. First thing you'll do is put some flour on your cutting board here. I have a serrated knife right here. We're just going to cut it like that. Okay, we're just going to roll out our biscuit. We'll turn this around this way. I have a package of Colby Jack cheese. This is shredded. This is the finely shredded cheese. Now you'll add the cheese right there in the middle. Now I don't know if that's too much or not, but we're going to add some crispy chopped up bacon to that as well. And we're just going to roll this up just like this. And we're going to pinch the ends, making sure they're nice and round. I have my cast iron skillet here, and I will be placing those in my skillet. I will be placing those on the outside of my skillet first. All right. It's supposed to be about 1/4 of an inch thick. Y'all are gonna fall in love with these, y'all. These are so good. They're perfect. Oh yes, look at that. Got that delicious cheese right there. Got some crumbled up bacon. Y'all, I love crunchy bacon. That's one of my favorites. So now we're just gonna do the same exact thing as we did on the other one. We're gonna bring all of this in to the bottom and twist it, pinch it so that it is closed on the bottom. Now, that's what that looks like. And now we're gonna add it to our pan. Sit that right next to each other. Okay, so now we're gonna crack open an egg and put that in our bowl here. And we're gonna give that a really light whisk. That's enough. Now what we're gonna do is put an egg wash over the top of these biscuits. Make sure you cover them really well so that your everyday bagel topping will stay on top. Here I have a bottle of Everything Bagel Grinder. We're gonna place that on the top of these delicious biscuits. Okay, that's what they look like. And now we're gonna place these in our preheated 350 degree oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. It's finally time to try out this cheesy bacon biscuit bite for you all. This is what it looks like. That's with the Everything Bagel on the top. And now it is time to try it out. Here's your bite, and here's mine. Make a mess. These bites right here are absolutely delicious, but let me tell you, I believe that they could use a little bit more cheese. You don't have to use the type of cheese that I did. This one didn't melt as good as I'd like it to, so if you want to get a meltier cheese, you can do that. You can even add some crumbled up sausage in here as well, and some scrambled eggs if you like, and it can be like a homemade Hot Pocket. But you know what else would be great with this? Is if you were to have some red eye gravy or some white milk gravy with this, you could pour it on top, or you can get your little bite and dunk it in the gravy and take a big bite. Ooh, that sounds so good. I hope you all enjoyed this episode on How Do You Cook Back to Basics. And if you did, please hit that like button, and please do consider subscribing if you haven't already done so. And don't forget to hit that bell notification so you're notified every single time I upload a new video. Until next time, y'all. Bye-bye now.